So while playing around with some of the scrap metal from my dad's place, I found this screwdriver that looks like it was made out of an old file. You can see the where the teeth were. There's different size teeth on all four sides. So it's either a file or a thread chaser. So did some cleanup. The blade is good, so perfectly serviceable. Little ferrule. So I am making a handle for it. That'll nice little screwdriver. Yeah, but it's that size. I'm going to do a lot more shaping on this. I want this nice and round, and I'll probably put flats in four sides of it so it doesn't roll around. Not that it would much right now. I don't have a wood lathe, so this was done on my metal lathe. I just chucked it up and used a hand files to whittle it down to this point. I need to get a metal or a wood lathe. Yeah, needs a lot of finishing on the handle. I just got it to the point where the ferrule fits, but that is a neat little screwdriver. I'll finish cleaning it up, and I don't know if I want to polish it or I want to get the rust off, definitely. Stop the rust. Get it put back in. I've got it set so it's going to be a press fit down through there. I'll show you more. Alright. So, finished shaping the handle, sanded it down to 400 grit, applied some finish. I gotta let it sit for a day, gotta sand it again, apply another coat of finish, let that sit for a day, rinse and repeat. So that'll be a hand rubbed oil finish. Should get rid of more of those sanding marks, give it a nice glassy look. Anyhow, you can still see hash marks where it used to be a file. There was some writing on this. You can barely make that out. Yeah, I'll see if I can see what that says. Alright, it says Dasco-80. DASCO-80. I'm guessing this ferrule was reused. I did find Dasco vintage screwdrivers, and well, yeah, mine's prettier. And the wood I used is leftover walnut from a rifle stock that I made. Glad I kept my cutoff, because that does look rather nice.